Zombie apocalypse.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Luca Fish, and today we're doing the 24-inch sub challenge. First quarter down.
Everybody listen to me. On the count of three, we're gonna go all together. Right here, right now. 1, 2, 3. Everybody just
Quarter down. That is the second quarter down and first down. Okay, guys, we have one more. We have one more quarter left. If I can do this, you better drop a like on the video. All right? Okay. Yeah, one quarter left. Okay. Bye. We got a full quarter left.
Just do it. Do it. Do it. All right, you gotta finish that, and then you'll do that. Show us an empty mouth.
Everybody's alright. Don't let it stop, don't let it stop. Don't let it stop, don't make it to the daylight. Fight till we can't fight. Everybody's alright. Everybody alright. Don't let it stop, don't let it stop. Don't let it stop, don't make it to the daylight.
Yay!
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back. Just finished that 24-inch sub challenge. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Stop moving the camera too close. And yeah, so let me think. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash the like button. And always remember, keep swimming.